Very good quality for the price, private shower even if small. The self-check-in. Premiere Classe Plaisir, a comfortable stay in Plaisir, France. Welcome to Premiere Classe Plaisir, a delightful hotel located in the charming town of Plaisir, France. With its convenient location and a wide range of amenities, this hotel is the perfect choice for both business and leisure travelers. From its comfortable rooms to its excellent services, Premiere Classe Plaisir ensures a memorable stay for all guests. Upon arrival, guests are welcomed by a friendly and professional staff, ready to assist with any needs or inquiries. The check-in process begins at 12 p.m., allowing guests to start their stay at a time that suits them best. Whether you are arriving early in the day or in the evening, the hotel's check-in time provides flexibility and convenience. Premiere Classe Plaisir boasts 82 well-appointed rooms, each designed to provide a comfortable and relaxing atmosphere. The rooms are tastefully decorated with modern furnishings and offer all the necessary amenities for a pleasant stay. Whether you are traveling alone or with a companion, you will find the perfect accommodation to suit your needs. For guests traveling with pets, Premiere Classe Plaisir allows one pet per room, ensuring that your furry friend can join you on your trip. The hotel understands the importance of having your beloved pet by your side and provides a pet-friendly environment for a hassle-free stay. In terms of child policy, please note that this hotel does not allow children to stay free of charge. There may be extra charges for accommodating children. It is recommended to contact the hotel directly for more information regarding the child policy and any additional charges that may apply. With its excellent location, comfortable rooms, and attentive service, Premiere Classe Plaisir is the ideal choice for your stay in Plaisir, France. Whether you are visiting for business or leisure, this hotel ensures a pleasant and memorable experience for all guests. Unwind and enjoy at Premiere Classe Plaisir's entertainment facilities. Nestled within a serene garden setting, Premiere Classe Plaisir offers a range of entertainment facilities to ensure a memorable stay for guests of all ages. Whether you are seeking relaxation or excitement, this hotel has something to suit every preference. For those looking to unwind and soak up the tranquility of the surroundings, the hotel's garden provides the perfect escape. Take a leisurely stroll amidst the beautifully landscaped greenery, or find a cozy spot to sit and enjoy a book or a refreshing drink. The serene ambience of the garden creates a peaceful retreat where you can recharge your batteries and connect with nature. If you're in the mood for some active entertainment, Premiere Classe Plaisir has you covered with its outdoor sports facilities. Challenge your friends or family to a friendly game of tennis or basketball on the hotel's well-maintained courts. Engage in some friendly competition and enjoy the fresh air as you engage in these exhilarating activities. No matter what your idea of entertainment is, Premiere Classe Plaisir's entertainment facilities are sure to delight and cater to your every need. Whether you prefer to relax in the garden or engage in some outdoor sports, this hotel offers the perfect blend of leisure and excitement to make your stay truly memorable. Convenient facilities at Premiere Classe Plaisir. Premiere Classe Plaisir in Plaisir, France offers a range of convenient facilities to ensure a comfortable stay for its guests. With room service available, you can indulge in delicious meals and snacks without leaving the comfort of your room.